There is a note here that says basic features of a federation, and it starts with federalism is a system of government where power is divided between a central authority and constituent political units, such as state or province, to achieve maximum stability and socio-economic progress in a country or nation. The basis of federalism can be summarized as follows. Balanced federalism, constitutional framework, a clear and robust constitution that outlines the powers and responsibilities of both the federal government and the constituent units. Power sharing, a balanced distribution of power between the federal government and the constituent units, ensuring that each has sufficient autonomy to manage its affairs. Autonomy and self-governance. Constituent units have the significant control over their internal affairs, allowing them to address unique regional needs and priorities. And federal authority. The federal authority has sufficient power to address national concerns such as defense, foreign policy, and regulation of interstate commerce.